iPhone 18. Everything we know so far about Apple's 2026 lineup. Apple only released the iPhone 17 a short time ago, but the tech world is already buzzing with rumors about what's coming next. According to multiple leaks and industry insiders, Apple's iPhone 18 lineup, expected in 2026, could bring some of the most meaningful design and camera changes we've seen in years. From new camera technology to bold color options, possible under-display Face ID, and even a split launch schedule, there's a lot to unpack. Let's break down everything we currently know and what it could mean for Apple's future. The bigger picture, why iPhone 18 matters. Apple is heading toward a major milestone. In 2027, the iPhone will celebrate its 20th anniversary, and expectations are higher than ever. While Apple continues to dominate smartphone sales in the United States, it still trails Samsung globally and faces growing pressure from Chinese brands like Xiaomi and Honor. That puts extra weight on the iPhone 18 generation. Apple doesn't just need a good phone. It needs a statement product that sets the direction for the next decade. And according to current leaks, the company may be laying the groundwork now. Expected iPhone 18 models. Based on early reports, Apple is likely planning 3 main iPhone 18 models: iPhone 18 base model, iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max. In addition to these, Apple may also release a second-generation iPhone Air, a budget-friendly iPhone 18e, and possibly a long-rumored foldable iPhone. If all of this happens, Apple could end up offering 6 different iPhone models in the same cycle. Design. Familiar, but with subtle changes. Apple rarely makes drastic design changes from one year to the next, and the iPhone 18 is expected to follow that pattern. Leaks suggest screen sizes will remain the same as current models. Around 6.3 inches for the Standard and Pro, around 6.9 inches for the Pro Max. However, small visual tweaks may still make a noticeable difference. Camera bump changes. The base iPhone 18 is rumored to feature a smaller camera bump, while the Pro models will keep the wider camera plateau needed to house their advanced lenses. New colors. One of the more interesting rumors comes from Chinese social media leaks, suggesting Apple may introduce new Pro colors, including burgundy purple, a coffee-style brown. Brown might sound unusual for an iPhone, but Apple has a history of turning unexpected colors into premium trends. The future of Dynamic Island. Another major rumor focuses on Dynamic Island, Apple's signature display cutout. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman and other reliable sources, Apple may shrink the Dynamic Island on the iPhone 18, or potentially remove it entirely on Pro models. Under-display Face ID. Reports suggest that the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max could feature under-screen Face ID, allowing Apple to move most sensors beneath the display. If this happens, the front camera may shift to a small pinhole cutout. The familiar Dynamic Island could disappear on Pro models. Under-display camera technology has existed for years, but image quality has always been a challenge. Apple may finally crack that problem, but that remains one of the biggest question marks. Camera upgrades. A big leap forward. Cameras are expected to be one of the biggest upgrades in the iPhone 18 series. Variable aperture camera. Multiple reports claim the iPhone 18 Pro Max could feature a variable aperture camera, similar to DSLR lenses. This would allow better low-light photography, adjustable depth of field, more creative control for photos and videos. Samsung tried this concept back in 2018, and Xiaomi later refined it with larger sensors. Apple could now bring this technology into the mainstream with better software optimization. Improved telephoto performance. Leaks also suggest the telephoto lenses on Pro models may gain faster apertures, allowing more light and improving night photography. Better selfie cameras. According to Mac rumors, almost all iPhone 18 models, except the budget version, could feature upgraded 24-megapixel front cameras. Apple's newer center stage selfie system already adapts automatically between portrait and landscape shots, and the iPhone 18 could push this even further. A 20-chip performance and efficiency boost. The iPhone 18 is expected to debut Apple's A20 processor, built using a new manufacturing technique called wafer-level multi-chip module, or WMCM. In simple terms, this means RAM is placed directly alongside the CPU and GPU, faster communication between components, better power efficiency, improved AI and graphics performance. This could make iPhone 18 devices noticeably smoother while also improving battery life. Connectivity, satellites, and 5G evolution. Apple may also upgrade connectivity in a big way. New C2 modem. Leaks suggest Apple will introduce its next-generation C2 modem, improving 5G speeds. Network stability, battery efficiency. Satellite communication expansion. Perhaps even more interesting is the possibility of full satellite calling support. not just emergency messages. If true, iPhone 18 users could potentially send messages.